Just I sent my passport and my pictures, that's all, and within few days I got approval and I got the paper visa on my hand. Hello, hi everyone. So my name is Maheen. I'm from India. I'm from southern part of India, that is Kerala, state of Kerala, and I'm here in Iran now. I'm on a world trip by hitchhiking. I'm on a world trip to 100 countries going by land borders, and now currently I'm in Iran. I came from Afghanistan, and I'm so happy to be here. Iran is so beautiful, so hospitable people, and everything is so cheap here. So it's absolutely heaven for hitchhikers or the like nomadic travelers. And for me, the visa was like big issue, but it became very easy because of some agent from Isfahan. The agency's name is Markavel. They are working for all the foreigners coming to Iran, and they are even dealing with the visas for the Iran national to go to other countries. And it was so helpful. Just I sent my passport and my pictures, that's all, and within few days I got approval and I got the paper visa on my hand. I just had to go to the embassy to get a seal, so that was not a big issue, and it was so easy, and they were so helpful. They were helping me a lot regarding visas and these things, and even they were helping me. They were saying me if I want to book anything like to train, anything other journeys, they said like they can do it for easily, and I was so happy to contact them. They were helping me a lot, and right now I am here at their place and so happy. And you can also even contact them for getting visa easily, and regarding other tours, regarding the transportation, paying, booking the train ticket or bus ticket or something like that, everything they are doing actually. So if you're coming to Iran, like Iran is a big country, it's a vast area, there are a lot of mountains. In the north we can find greenery, good mountains, waterfall, and in the southern part and in the mid of Iran we can find beautiful mountains, dry land, desert, everything. So if you are coming to Iran and if you are a natural lover, you can spend more days in northern area. If you really like to have an adventure, desert, these things, you can come to southern places, and southern places is really good for hospitality as I experience compared to north. And everything is really amazing here. Food is as a traveler, food was expensive for me, but as I heard, food is even cheap for other travelers here, but transportation is really cheap here, and everything, most of the things are cheap here except food, I guess. And yeah, it's good, and it's better have to carry dollar or euros with you, so you can exchange it easily from the market. And I don't know about the bank card, it works here or not, so I don't think so. I think it doesn't work here. So this is all I want to share with you guys, and again, like, you can contact this agency, they are really helpful, and this is not a paid promotion, this is I'm sharing my experience. Okay, so yeah, that's all about Iran. Iran will amaze you for sure. It's all about hospitality, it's all about culture, it's all about adventure, it's all about nature. Iran is amazing actually. So welcome to Iran, and I'm a person from India. My true opinion, welcome to Iran. It's a good country, and thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.